What if I told you there's a way to invest in the AI revolution whether you have $3 or $3,000? I'm about to show you 4 AI stocks across the entire risk spectrum, from penny stock drones to the king of AI chips. This is how you build a real AI portfolio. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I break down the most exciting tech stocks before they hit mainstream. This is not financial advice. Do your research and only invest what you can lose. Today, we're building the ultimate AI portfolio together. Let's dive in. Before we get into these AI stocks, let's set a goal. If this video hits 50 likes, I'll know you want more AI portfolio strategies like this. So go ahead and crush that like button right now. Let's hit 50 likes together. Our first stock is ZenaTech, ticker ZENA, trading at $3.13 per share. This is our high-risk, high-reward penny stock play on AI-powered drone technology and enterprise AI solutions. ZenaTech is developing AI-driven drone systems for commercial and industrial applications. We're talking about drones that use computer vision and machine learning for autonomous inspections, surveillance, delivery, agriculture monitoring, and infrastructure assessment. They're also building enterprise AI software solutions for business process automation. Now, why drones matter for AI? Autonomous drones are essentially flying robots with AI brains. They need real-time image recognition, path planning, obstacle avoidance, and decision-making, all powered by artificial intelligence. As drone regulations ease and commercial adoption grows, the market for AI-powered drones is exploding. ZenaTech is positioning themselves across multiple verticals. Their drone technology can serve utility companies inspecting power lines, construction firms monitoring job sites, agricultural operations checking crop health, security companies providing surveillance, and logistics operations preparing for delivery drones. The addressable market is enormous and growing rapidly. The company's also developing their ARQQ Nano enterprise AI platform, which helps businesses implement AI solutions without needing data science teams. This gives them a software-as-a-service revenue stream alongside their hardware business. Here's the reality. At $3.13, ZeNA is a speculative penny stock. They're early stage, revenue is ramping, and execution risk is high. But that's exactly why the potential reward is so massive. If ZenaTech can establish themselves in the commercial drone AI space and scale their enterprise software, this stock could easily 10x or more. This is a small position lottery ticket type of investment. Don't bet the farm on ZeNA, but if you want high-risk exposure to AI drones and enterprise AI at a price almost anyone can afford, $3.13 gets you in the game. The risk is real, but so is the potential for life-changing returns if they execute. Moving to our second stock, Arqit Quantum, ticker ARQQ, at $24.54. And this one is absolutely fascinating because they're solving a problem most people don't even know exists yet: quantum computers breaking all our encryption. Here's the threat. Quantum computers, when they mature, will be able to break essentially all current encryption methods. Everything from banking to government communications to military secrets relies on encryption that quantum computers will crack like a hot knife through butter. This is called Q-Day, the day quantum computers break our security. Arqit has developed Quantum Cloud, a quantum encryption platform that creates encryption keys that are theoretically unbreakable, even by quantum computers. Their technology uses quantum principles to generate symmetric encryption keys that can be distributed to any device anywhere in the world via satellite or terrestrial networks. What makes this compelling is the customer base they're building. Arqit is working with government agencies, defense contractors, telecommunications companies, and enterprises that need quantum-secure communications. The UK and US governments are taking quantum threats seriously, and Arqit is positioning as a key solution provider. The company has partnerships and contracts with major aerospace and defense companies. They're building out their quantum cloud constellation and expanding their platform capabilities. As quantum computers advance and the threat becomes more real, demand for quantum-resistant encryption will explode. Now, full transparency, Arqit went public via SPAC and the stock has been volatile. They're pre-revenue in terms of large-scale deployment, though they have contracts and trials underway. This is early-stage quantum technology, which means significant execution and timing risk. However, at $24.54, if Arqit becomes the standard for quantum secure encryption, and governments and enterprises are going to need quantum security, this company could be worth multiples of current valuation. The quantum security market is projected to reach tens of billions of dollars as quantum computers advance. This is a medium-risk, medium-reward play, not as speculative as ZENA, but definitely not a sure thing. For investors who believe quantum computing is real and that quantum security will be essential, Arqit offers direct exposure at a price that's come way down from its SPAC highs. Now for our third stock, FormFactor, ticker FORM, at $59.19. And this is what I call the picks and shovels play, the company that's essential to building AI chips but nobody talks about. FormFactor manufactures the test and measurement equipment that semiconductor companies use to test chips during production. Before any AI chip from NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, or anyone else ships to customers, it goes through testing using equipment from FormFactor. They make probe cards, test systems, and measurement solutions for the semiconductor industry. Here's why this matters for AI. As AI chips become more complex, more transistors, more advanced packaging, chiplets, 3D stacking, testing becomes exponentially more challenging and critical. You can't ship defective AI chips that cost thousands of dollars each. FormFactor's advanced testing solutions ensure chips work correctly before they leave the fab. The company has relationships with every major semiconductor manufacturer globally. TSMC, Samsung, Intel, all the fabless chip designers, they all need FormFactor's testing solutions. As AI chip production scales massively, FormFactor benefits from every chip that gets made and tested. The company generates consistent revenue with strong margins. They're not as volatile as chip designers because they sell equipment and consumables regardless of which chip company is winning. Whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, or new entrants, everyone needs testing. That's a powerful business model. FormFactor is also expanding into advanced packaging testing, which is critical for chiplet-based designs, and HBM memory testing, both essential for next-gen AI chips. They're innovating alongside the semiconductor industry, ensuring they remain essential as technology advances. At $59.19, FormFactor is reasonably valued for a profitable, growing semiconductor equipment company with strong competitive positioning. This isn't going to 10x overnight, but it's a solid, lower-risk way to play the AI chip boom without betting on any single chip company. If AI chip production continues growing, and it will, FormFactor grows with it. This is a medium-risk, steady growth play, perfect for investors who want AI exposure but prefer profitable companies with established businesses. It's boring compared to ZENA, but boring often means lower risk and steady returns. And finally, our fourth stock is NVIDIA, ticker NVDA, at $138.85. And look, I know everyone talks about NVIDIA, but there's a reason. They're literally powering the entire AI revolution. NVIDIA's GPUs are the engines running every major AI model. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, every AI you interact with is running on NVIDIA hardware. Their data center business is exploding, over $30 billion in quarterly revenue, because every tech company on Earth is buying NVIDIA GPUs to build AI infrastructure. What makes NVIDIA special isn't just hardware, it's their CUDA platform, which creates a massive moat. Developers have been building on CUDA for over 15 years. Switching to competitors means rewriting everything. That lock-in is incredibly powerful and underappreciated. NVIDIA isn't stopping at GPUs. They're building complete AI platforms, networking with their Bluefield and Spectrum X products, CPU chips with Grace, full-stack systems with DGX, and software platforms like NVIDIA AI Enterprise. They're becoming the one-stop shop for AI infrastructure. The bear case is valuation and competition. AMD is improving, Intel is trying, Chinese companies are building alternatives, custom chips from hyperscalers could reduce demand,
and at $138 after massive run-ups, valuation is rich. But here's my take. NVIDIA has 80 to 90% market share in AI training and strong share in inference. Their technology lead is years ahead. The AI boom is just beginning. We're in the first inning, not the ninth. Data center build-outs will continue for years. NVIDIA's revenue could double or triple from here as AI scales. At $138.85, NVIDIA isn't cheap, but I believe they're worth it. My 2025 price target is $180 to $200, implying 30 to 45% upside. Beyond 2025, if they maintain dominance as AI scales, they could easily be a $250 stock. This is the lowest risk of our 4 stocks because it's the most established, profitable, dominant company. The upside percentage might be lower than ZENA, but the probability of success is far higher.
Every AI portfolio needs NVIDIA as the foundation. This is the blue chip anchor that makes the other riskier bets possible. So there you have it, 4 AI stocks building the complete portfolio. ZENA for high-risk drone AI speculation at $3, Arqit for quantum security at $24, FormFactor for semiconductor testing stability at $59, and NVIDIA as the AI king at $138. This is how you intelligently build AI exposure across risk levels. Don't just chase penny stocks or only buy NVIDIA. Build a portfolio that gives you multiple ways to win as AI transforms everything. My personal approach? I'd start with NVIDIA as the foundation, maybe 50% of your AI allocation. Add FormFactor for diversification, 25%, then smaller speculative bets on Arqit, 15%, and ZENA, 10%. That gives you stability plus upside lottery tickets. But here's the key. Only invest what you can afford to lose, especially on ZENA and Arqit. These are not guaranteed winners. They're calculated bets on the AI revolution. NVIDIA and FormFactor are lower risk, but also lower potential returns. So here's my question. Which of these 4 AI stocks fits your strategy? Are you conservative with NVIDIA and FormFactor, aggressive with ZENA, quantum believer with Arqit, or building the full portfolio? Drop a comment and let me know your AI investment approach. And did we crush that 50-like goal? Check it out. If we did, you're incredible. If we're close, smash that button right now. Subscribe for more AI investing strategies and share this with anyone building their tech portfolio for 2025. Remember, AI is the biggest technological shift of our generation. Invest wisely, diversify intelligently, and think long-term. The AI revolution is just beginning. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Now go build your AI future. Peace.